Get your business listed the right way to meet credit issuer and lender creditability approval standards. Business credit is credit attached to a company's EIN. It does not have an association with the owner's Social Security number. Business credit and personal credit are separate. Therefore, these scores can diverge dramatically. This credit is in the business's name. It is based on the business's ability to pay, not the business owner's. Since the business qualifies for the credit, when done right, business credit is obtained with no personal credit check required from the business owner. The business owner won't be personally liable for the credit the business obtains. Business legitimacy matters. Lenders want to feel a company is legit before they will open their wallets. Online and offline business listings aren't just for show. They help establish and bolster business legitimacy. Lenders and credit issuers feel your company is the real deal. If they can't find your business, then that understandably makes them nervous. Establishing professional credibility makes a real difference. A business must be legitimate to lenders and vendors. Now is not the time for your business to hide. You need for it to be found by the right people. Start with your business's online listings. Creditors will check your company's online reputation. Having no listing equals a bad online reputation. Even the most non-technical professions are expected to be online these days. This is true even if your clientele isn't too computer savvy. This means a professional, good-looking website and email address. Buy a domain from a hosting provider such as GoDaddy. Your domain should be your business name if that's at all possible. If you can't get a domain to perfectly match your business name, get creative. Try using spelled-out numbers for numerals or vice versa. Or use a catchphrase associated with your business. Or try something relating to your area and your business name. Long domain names can be hard to remember, and you need to print them on places like business cards, menus, flyers, bookmarks, and other swag. A .com is best. .net and .us are decent substitutes. It's best if you can own all of those. Let's recap. You can't just put out a shingle. You need to set up your business. This means a separate professional address, phone, and fax numbers, and website and email addresses. Get all needed licenses, get an EIN, and choose a business entity. Get a DUNS number and check if your company has listings with Experian and Equifax. Contact us today to learn more about how to get your business listed the right way to meet credit issuer and lender credibility approval standards.